So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our gold. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button guys. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also guys make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated and subscribe to this channel. Once you subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification so that instantly you will be notified once we drop an update. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our gold. In order for us to be able to predict what markets will be doing for the week, we need to go to our higher time frame. We need to look at it from the higher time frame perspective, which is the monthly time frame. So now let's start this movement from. You can see it. First month of market open and closing breach. This was like a bear, something like a pullback, whereby these 2 months market was able to close bearish, right? Anyway, so we are going to analyze forward from it. This is the first month of market opening and closing bullish. Here comes the second month of market opening and closing bullish. This is the third month of market opening and closing bullish. And here comes the fourth month of market opening and closing bullish. This is the fifth month of market opening and closing bullish. And here comes the sixth month of market opening and closing bullish. This is the seventh month of market opening and closing bullish. Now we are at this 8 months right here, guys. I want you guys to know that this 8 months markets will open and close bullish. For this 8 months, market is going to open and close. So we are still at the first week of March, right? So you still have the second week to go, third week, fourth week, right? So for this first week, market is just giving us a bearish move. That does not mean that market will close bearish for the month. Market is just some sort of like a bearish, which later on it will eventually be able to close bullish. Now, so that is to tell you that this month we'll be anticipating for a bullish move. So if you're a swing trader or if you're a position trader, to enter this trade, you should be going for the buy. You should be going for the buy and hold your buy position because in the long run, markets will push up and give us a bullish. Now let's go down to our weekly time frame, guys. Now on our weekly time frame, we need to zoom it out. What can you say the trend is? So you all know that rules of trading, which is we are going to apply the two rules of trading. The first rule of trading is know the trend of your trade. Second rule of trading is trade with the trend. Now, this is our first rule of trading, which is what is the trend. And as you can see, we are in an uptrend move. So it is very clear that market is trending to the upside. Market is on an uptrend move. Now, guys, take a look at this movement. Market did give us an high. Here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes what? The higher low. Market then pushed up one more time again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market now was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and this is the higher low that market is forming. Now that market has formed the higher low, which is for the week, this week markets kind of give us like a bearish move, right? So this is the week that market did give us a bearish move. Now this week that we are predicting for, right? This week that the second week of March that we are anticipating for, giving us a bullish move. Now take a look at it right here. This week, market was able to give us a bearish move, which serves as a pullback. And then the next week, market was able to give that bullish move that eventually push up. Now, this is the week that has given us a bearish move, which now serves as a pullback. So this following week, which is next week, we expect market to open and close bullish. That will eventually take out this high, right? That will eventually take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on your gold, you should be going in for the high. The bullish move is what we will be expecting on our gold. So whatever you would want to do on your gold, going for the buy. The bullish move is what we will be anticipating for the week, right? So bullish move for the week is what we'll be expecting. Now let's go down to our daily time frame, guys. So this is it. If you have to zoom it out, this is also our trend. We are in an uptrend move. It is very clear that market is trending to the upside. We are very much bullish, right? Now, this is it right here, guys. Let's start from here for quick analysis. Because if you take a look at it from here, you can clearly see a series of higher and higher low. No need of me to explain this part, right? But let's start from here for analysis. This can be seen as our high, and here is the higher low. This can also be seen as the higher high. Now here comes the higher low. This can also be seen as the higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and now here comes the equal higher low. This was the previous higher low level right here. This was the previous higher low level, which made that market drop to form an equal higher low. Guess what market has done? Market has now given us a multiple rejection candlestick here, which now wants to look like a double bottom, right? Which you can take as your double bottom. So we will be expecting market to actually push up and give us that bullish move. So it is able to tag this high and even break above it. So if you are to enter this position from here, the market is able to come to this high, right? You should be making nothing less than 2,500. That is what you should be making. You should be making nothing less than 2,000, right? So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your gold, right, going for the buy. So if market can give us that bullish, if you're going for the buy and hold your buy, the market come here, you will be making nothing less than, that will be about 2,500 pips bullish move. Now, if market will now break above it, that will be more than over 3,000 pips. So guys, you can see this is a potential 3,000 pips for you to catch on gold, right? Very amazing. So this is one of the reasons why you need to go in for the buy if you're not taking the buy right here. Now, guys, let's go down to our 4-hour time frame right here. So market was able to push up, right? Then eventually dropped to retest it, right? Market was not able to push up again, and then comes back to retest it, which serves as a double bottom, right? Now market eventually push up again to break the neckline. You see market push up to break the neckline. Now we'll be expecting market to give us a pullback, and then one more push up to play out again. That will form a new high, then a pullback, and then another push up, then a pullback, and then another push up. So markets will continue to give us that bullish move, higher, higher, and higher low, till it is able to take out this high. So this movement we will likely take. So for you to take out this high, it should play out between 3 to 4 weeks, right? So be looking at it in a long-term perspective. So between 3, 4, or even possibly 5 weeks, gold should have taken out this high, thereby forming a new high. So this is one of the reasons why I said this movement is actually for position traders, traders that are looking for long term, going for the buy and hold your buy position. Now let's go down to our 1 hour time frame and see what markets doing right there. So this is the push up which made markets give us an high. Here comes the higher low. Now this is also another push up which made market give us another higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now this is also an higher high playing out. So this is the higher high, then we'll be expecting an higher low and then another push up higher high. So basically market will be giving us a series of higher and higher low. So above all, a bullish move for the week is what we will be expecting on our gold. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on more quality updates.